Hey guys, and welcome to the Hackinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to convert a Python set to a list data type with several examples. As you know, Python has different data types such as sets, list, tuple, dictionary, etc. The concept of set can be used to avoid duplications. For example, if you want to create a set of a username for a website, you always see that the username is unique. So there you can make use of a set to keep unique data present in it. To initiate a set, it's really simple. So let me just show you that. You simply need to define a variable. So let's say set A, and then you need to say the set keyword and close your parenthesis, and inside that you need to give any name. So let's say I will give Hackinons. So now this set of characters will become a set. So let me just print that out and show you the result. So if I print set A and run the program, as you can see, you've got only unique elements present in your set. And there's also one more point to note in here. There's no order in the of which the elements are placed. Like as you can see here, there's H, then there's A over here, then there's S, which means it's not placed alphabetically order, from which we can infer that the set is an unordered data type present in Python. Likewise, let me create another set and I'll call it set B is equal to set, and now I will say Python. So now let's see few operations on sets. So the first operation like I would talk about is I'll say printing letters both in A and B. So basically A is the set A and B is the set B. So we want to print both the letters in these sets. So for that you need to use the AND symbol. So I'll say print set A and set B. So basically it will print the intersection of both the alphabets or characters in these set. So as you can see, H is common in both the sets, so that get printed. Likewise, N and also O are common, so they get printed on the screen. Now we will see how to print letters in both set A or set B or both of them. For that you need to make use of the OR symbol. So basically I will say print set A or set B. Run this and you get the output on a screen. So basically Python allows the conversion of one data type into another really simple. So basically we will be making use of the list function. So what this list function does, takes any data type and converts that data type to a list. So that's really simple. So let me take the set A from here top and let me first print the set A. Okay, so I'll print the set A, and then what I will do is I will create a list A, list underscore A, and then I will say set list of set A. Okay, so basically inside the list I'll put the set A so that it gets converted to a list, and I'll print that, print list A, and now if I run the program, as you can see we get two outputs. So basically this is the set, so that is why we have these curly braces, and then that set is converted to a list, that's why we have square brackets. Likewise, we can also convert a list set to a list using the sorted function. Basically the sorted function always takes any data type and converts it first to a set list and then sorts it and then returns that sorted data type. So let me show you how that. So basically I'll just print sorted of set A, and if I run the program now, let me just comment these lines. Now let me run the program. As you can see, we are getting a list by using the sorted method on our set data structure. So that's it from this quick video where we learned how to convert a set to a list using the common functions present in the Python library. If you like this video, do drop a like and subscribe to the Hackinon's YouTube channel for more fun and amazing videos.